If Windows 10 cannot start successfully and you are not able to fix this issue immediately, you can still get access to the files on the computer by the following steps. If the computer has been turned off and turned on multiple times and Windows does not restart successfully, then we usually enter the automatic repair mode. Choose Advanced option. Choose Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced options. Choose Command Prompt. Type in Notepad. Connect a USB flash drive to the computer. Click File and open. Now we can look at different folders and drives. To see all files in a folder, we need to change the files of type from txt to all files. We can copy or cut the selected folder and paste on the USB flash drive. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful.